This is
Okay,
Dr. Alika performing
this is a lamb eye. I guess it's a
an eye
eye-ectomy.
surgery. Eye-ectomy, yes.
Or
We're not cutting it out.
Optic. So ophthalmectomy.
Ophthalmectomy. Octomy.
Makes sense.
Anyway, we're
So the
cutting
first-
in.
This is glue. This gluey thing. Yeah, this is fluid. That's the virtuous humor, right? Right.
You talking about the lychee?
Yeah. The thing oozing out. The lychee. I guess it's lychee-ish.
Cut it
Right.
open more, doctor.
There, you see it gushing out.
Oh, you just
that's
broke it.
gross.
Yeah, you were supposed to cut it more.
That was the virtuous humor. It's okay, he's dead. He doesn't care if his eyes work anymore. Yeah,
This doctor is highly recommended
Thank you.
across the world. Famous
then-
for his eye surgery.
Yeah, look at. Oh man. So, this is the lens. Oh my gosh, I can't do this.
Cut it more. My goodness, cut it.
Tearing right
Cut it
into
all the way around. There you go. He's just playing. He knows. He really knows what to do. He's testing me.
Okay, so this thing right here is your iris, right? This part right here. And then over here is your lens. This was the lens.
Yep.
And then
That
all this goo
lychee
here.
stuff that he busted.
That's the virtuous humor, right? Right.
I don't know.
The black stuff is your choroid, and it absorbs light and keeps your light in. And man, this lens
It
thing is
absorbs
cool. It absorbs
light,
the light, yeah.
so that it doesn't have too much.
It doesn't bounce off too much.
In your retina.
And then inside this glowing thing right here.
Wait, you're taking off the retina.
Yeah.
All that tissue paper.
So the black stuff, like I said, is the choroid and it absorbs the light. And this shiny thing right here is your
Tape.
tapetum lucidum, and it's in animals and it gives them night vision. So when you look in your cat's eyes, it's glowy and
Glow in
lights
the
back at you.
dark.
That's this, and it can give them the ability to hunt in the dark. And then right behind it, this is your optic nerve. See? And this goes all the way up to, of course, your cranial nerve, your optic.
My hands
light.
aren't very steady.
That's fine.
Okay.
What else should we talk about? Sclera. That's the outer layer. Sclera. Outer layer. So it goes sclera, choroid, retina, and then the virtuous humor, which is the stuff I took out. There's the, what is this? This is the iris. This is the lens. And is there anything else to talk about? The aqueous humor, I guess. The aqueous is the water inside here. We can pop this for you. And then that's it. Optic nerve. The phobia in the back by the optic nerve allows you to sense colors. That's where all the cones are.
Oh.
You can stop.
And we're out.